Hi, it's Miss Saxon, and I am especially talking to fourth grade today because I heard that you have an ecosystem project, and I wanted to show you this really cool tool that you could use to create a virtual diorama. So you may be used to doing a shoebox and where you put different animals or pictures in it, and this is sort of a way you can do this online. And I just wanted to kind of give you a quick run through. You can definitely come and talk to me about it, but I wanted to show you a little bit about it. This site is called Buncee. It's Buncee, and this is a site that I use a lot when I do lessons, but it has a lot of tools for students. And so what you can do, you can log in with your Google ID, and I am going to give you a special class code that you can use. So this is my site, but I'm going to go under classes. And there is a code, it's QZQB, that I've created for fourth grade. And what I want to do, there's a way that you can type in that code when you log in and join the class. But what I want to show you, so I have an assignment that I created, and it's an ecosystems diorama. And Miss McEwen and I worked on this, and you can do a lot of different things with it. I'm going to click on Edit. But you can create this board and add different animals, add different scenery and backgrounds. You can do video links, you can do photographs. So this is sort of the instructions. You choose a background and then you add stickers, animations, drawings, and create a virtual diorama. You can also record audio on each of the items that you do, and you can record video of yourself too. So this is one Miss McEwen made about sloths, and she has a couple facts on it and several different pictures. She also did one on a giraffe, and so she has several different little facts about that, about the height and the fact that it has 3 hearts. That was something I didn't know. She has a picture of a map. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of show you exactly how it works. So it has 3 buttons. You can click a template, a background, or an item. So the first thing you want to do is to change the background. And so there's several things you can type in, like suppose you're going to do tundra. So I would type in tundra, and it didn't have that. So maybe you could type in something like Arctic and see what comes up. Or maybe snow. Okay, and so if I like this background, I can click this on the page, and then I can start adding more details. So maybe I want to add a polar bear. Now I'm using their clip art, but you can also add your own pictures. So like this has bears. You might have to scroll down a little bit to try to find a polar bear. So I see this guy, so I'm going to add him. Now you can also import pictures. So I'm going to go to this plus sign, and you can do uploads, or you can also search for web images. So now I'm going to type in tundra animals and see what it comes up with. Okay, so I'm starting to see some more things that maybe I can add. Let's see, maybe I want to add this guy. So I can click this on, and then I have him to move around. Now, if I wanted to do something like add some audio to describe what this is, you can click this little audio icon and you can record yourself talking. So it has a little microphone and you can record yourself. Like if this is an Arctic fox, you can give some details and facts about it. You can also include a link for a video, and the best ones to use are YouTube videos. They're the easiest ones to include the link for. But I'm going to go and let's see, I'm going to try to find a video on tundra. So I'm going to type in tundra ecosystem, and I'm going to do tundra ecosystem National Geographic because that's a really good resource to use. National Geographic is something that you can trust. And so I'm going to click on this, and if I like the video, what you can do is you copy the link.
Tundras? Tundras are among the Earth's coldest.
So if I think this is a good video, I'm going to go to my plus sign, go to import URL. I'm going to paste this. And now I have the link to the video. So I can also add things like titles and text. So I'm going to type in Tundra. And you can change the font and make it look a little more interesting. Like I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to go down here. They don't have a huge amount, but they have several different ones that you can choose. I think I'm going to go with this one. And you can make it bigger. You can change the color, like maybe I want to make it white since it's kind of wintry looking. Something else really cool that you can do, if I want to copy this, so I made 2 of them, I'm going to change the color to kind of maybe like something kind of purple. And so then I can put it on top of the white and it makes it stand out a little bit more. And so that's kind of a cool feature that you can add. You can also type in different facts. So if I want to go in and add some more text, so I'm going to go back to text, I'm going to go to, and I'm going to start typing some different facts. So I'm just putting something simple, but you can start doing different kinds of facts, and you can make like little charts. And so when I click preview, this shows me what it will look like when I present it to your teacher. So this has all my previous slides, but here it shows my slides. So you can click this Tundra video that we added. You can click on the images of the bear that I included. There's the text. And so it's got several different really cool features that you can use. So I think this is a great way to do a presentation. It lets you put a lot of different elements. You don't have to use glue and construction paper. You can kind of do this and you can submit it to your teacher. What you can do once you've finished it, you can go to share. You can get the code for it, which is the link, and you can copy this. You can email it. So there's several different things that you can do to share it with your teacher. So I think this is something kind of fun to try around with, especially if you like doing computer work. So just to refresh, I'm going to go back to the edit mode. And so this is the one we were working on. So now we're going to, I'm going to go back to Bunsey. So there again, you can see this was the assignment. This was your class code. It's QZQB, and I'm going to share this with you, and I'll put this on Schoology too. But I just thought this was kind of an interesting thing to try out, and you're welcome to ask me and Miss McEwen about it at school, and we would love to help you out with it. Thank you.